How to fix an existing Discord account already using this number error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a web browser. Click search bar, type discord.com and press enter. Click on open Discord at top right and log into your account using the credentials. After a while, click on user setting icon at bottom left corner. Then you will land on this My Account section where you will see phone number. First of all, you simply need to use your browser's Google Password Manager to search for Discord and retrieve the email and password linked to the account using this number. For that, click on three dots at top right corner and click on Password and Autofill and click Google Password Manager. Now you have to search for discord.com and open it. After that, here you can see the username and the password. Now you simply need to click on your profile at bottom left and here you will see the option of switch accounts or simply manage accounts option. You simply need to log out and sign in to the account linked to your phone number. After that, you need to change or remove the phone number, going back to the user settings icon in the correct account and updating or removing the phone number. After that, you can easily use this number for your new Discord account. So, alternative solution is simply you can visit QuiKr.io to get a free temporary phone number and copy the number, input it in Discord and verify via the SMS received. So by following this way, you can easily fix Discord account already using this number error. I hope this guide works and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.